We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack! Repeat! Enemy ships are now in the central district of Valero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Flarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area!
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Captain, we have an unidentified ship providing assistance. Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch. Enemy down! Flarg transport down!
He took out another ship!
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is our turf.
No offense, Captain, but we kinda need the help right now.
All systems restored.
Another transport down!
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Yeah, another one down!
Just 2 more ships!
Yes, we're on a roll!
1 ship left!
That's the last of them!
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The Warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a Warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome! How do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the Warbot's armor. Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up Warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out. Mag booster active!
There should be some Warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship.
Activate mag booster!
There is enough power to pick up more Warbots.
Hey, Warbots! Time to go home! Get ready! Release! Boom!
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million! Let's do it again! not good.
Warning.
It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those Blarg saucers leave behind. Ratchet, the ship is badly damaged. We must locate some nanotech.
Engage!
Oh dear. We need to repair the ship.
Steady, steady. Now! Warbots away!
Sweet.
There's just a few left. Keep at it.
Impressive. But my perseverance will defeat these warbots. Eventually.
Our ship is damaged. We may obtain nanotech from attacking the smaller saucers.
Yeah, activate mag booster. Okay, Warbots, hang on tight.
Power failure imminent. There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship.
Got him. Now let's send them back to where they came from.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Get ready. Now! Warbots away! Boom!
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million! Let's do it again. Activate mag booster. Looks like that's all we can handle. Release! See ya! Yeah, that one hurt.
Keep it up. We're almost there. Impressive. But my perseverance will defeat these warbots. Eventually.
Warbots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship.
Release Warbots! Yeah!
I believe the warship has sustained critical damage.
Yeah! One more hit should do it. Warbots in tow. Now let's head toward that warship.
We have enough power for a few more warbots if you make another pass.
Okay, Warbots, hang on tight.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Wait for it. Engage! Gotcha! Ha-ha! Locking on. Release Warbots! Warship down! We did it!
Way to go, whoever you are.
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now?
I don't see why not.
And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Clank, look out! You all right, pal?